Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a lock on your chatbot. This is mainly for Patreon use, but can be used in other cases if you want to lock out certain activities, like let's say a holiday event or something like that. First, head over to Chatbot Workshop, find your chatbot, and go to its settings. Scroll down until you see the AIScript Initialization. As you can see, I already have default memory named code that's remembering the value false. Make sure you add this little symbol on the end, just so if you have any more memories you want to add, these keep them separate. And after you add this, go down to the bottom and click Update Bot. Now you have a memory stored by default. So like if anybody talks to the bot, that memory is automatically created. So now head over to your language center. Now, this is the most important part about the locking people out thing. If you're going to lock them out right at the start, you're really going to want to add a main one, which is going to be your introduce. And all the rest of these hashtag special key phrases are all going to redirect back to introduce. Technically speaking, hello doesn't need it, but I think if you use the API, in most cases the bot doesn't respond first, it would be the user. So in that case, you still technically want it if you're using the API. So with hashtag introduce, you're going to want to create just this simple message here with if mem-code is false, which by default it is false. And then when it's true, make sure you have the response and using the if mem-code is true. So right now, if we were to chat with the bot, you always will get this. Even if we say hi, how are you? It's always going to bring you back to needing to put in the code. Now, as you can see, we have a seek here, which you just got to click on the plus seek. So if we go into our seek, this here is where you would put your code. So copy that. And as you can see, if they put in the code correctly, your response, you can just say they got access. And then you're going to want to put remember true as only code. As only is needed instead of as, just so you don't, just so you don't have it saying false true as code. You don't want that. You just want it to only be true. So now, let's say we were to chat with the bot. If we were to give it the code, it gives you access. Now, because every other one has the true, it'll work. So if we say, how are you? It functions. Now, let's go over to memories and let's delete that memory for code. Don't worry, it'll default back to false when you talk to the bot again. If we were to go into our special key phrase, and now let's say we go to the hashtag goodbye and we erase this, I can show you why it's needed. Go into a chat and we say goodbye. See, it'll give you this instead. You obviously don't want that. You want it to say the input code to gain access. So that's why you need the go-to for those special key phrases. Now, when it comes to your normal key phrases, like non-special ones, like the how are you and what is my name, you don't need the if mem-code is false. You only need if mem-code is true. These ones won't give you that error message. And other than that, I should pretty much wrap it up. If you need any more tips on further things, just poke my email, Discord, or even the comments down below. you found this video helpful. See ya.